So hi everyone. I'm really sorry. I believe that in my previous videos, I actually made a promise, right, which had been broken by me just within 2 videos. Okay, I actually made a promise to actually upload um, this kind of videos, okay, every day on a daily basis about the Hong Kong and China market lah. However, I could not keep to my promise after my second video, as YouTube is very difficult, and I have to find time to actually create these videos, right? Which this time I can use to lie on my bed and do nothing, right? So I really apologize on that. Hopefully, yeah, this time will be the time that I'll be more consistent, right? And it's only through this kind of videos I will learn how to speak better, right? Okay, this is basically a kind of public speaking, right? um Not really public, in a way public. Yeah, I guess you guys actually know what I meant, right? So yeah, today is the 9th of December, right? A Friday. So Fridays are actually very important because yeah, it actually marks the weekly candle lah, right? So yeah, looking at the charts, right? I believe all of you guys should know, right? That okay, so all of you guys should know that okay, the market actually rejected the top of the trend line maybe 4 or 5 trading days ago lah, right? So yeah, the market had been in a downtrend for approximately 340 days, and yeah, I believe uh, from some sources which I read, right, the bear market usually lasts okay for about a year, right, and we are nearing that duration, right? We had been in this down market for close to a year, right? So you see, now we are at this breaking point, right? Basically, this downtrend was mainly caused by the inflation and rate hikes, right? And the Fed is currently pivoting already, and they are actually going to slow down the rate hikes, right? So this can be a very positive signal to the stock market, right? So currently we are at this level, okay, which is a support level, right? The support level about 3950, okay, 3950, right? So this point, okay, we can actually either trigger a sell off, right, to the bottom of the channel, right, which can be very nasty, right? This may be true, right, as this had repeatedly happened for multiple times this year, right? How many times? 1, 2. Will this be a third time, right? Or third time will not be the trump, right? I believe a lot of sellers are actually over here, okay, waiting for waiting to sell off to the bottom of the channel, right? However, seasonality wise, okay, December is usually positive, right? So yeah, do we see a breakout and conversion into an uptrend, right? I'm not very sure, but VIX, right, throughout the year do suggest that okay, it can be a sell off, right? This is my mantra for the year lah, right? Sell when people are too comfortable, buy when people panic, right? Buy when the VIX is up, sell when the VIX is down, right? This had been happening multiple times, or already happened 2 times in this entire year. So will it happen for the third time, right? Nobody knows, only time will know, right? So if it happens to break up, right, out of the trend line, right, I will before I enter, I will actually wait for some sort of validation, right? Only if the market movement is impulsive and actually test the 4300, right? Once it hit 4300, I will expect some sort of resistance, right? And the resistance will actually probably push down, okay, the SPX by about 200 points, okay, and that's when I will enter and hopefully ride the wave up, right? Okay, so this is the US market for now, right? Okay, let's also take a look at the Asian market lah, or the Hong Kong index, right? So yeah, I've been looking at this chart for quite a while now, right? And if you all have realized, right, usually China related stocks, the movements are very drastic, right? So within a short span of maybe from here is about 39 or 40 days, right? Yeah, the HSI Hang Seng Index had already okay, increased by 36%, which is crazy, which is very fast, right? It had been moving down, okay, downwards for nobody knows how long, right? Yeah, I guess it's about more than a year, really close to, okay, all the way down, right? Since don't know when, right? Let's try to find out since when. It went down, more close to 55%. Over how long? Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong pick. Okay, should be here. Should be this pick over here. Right, had moved down, okay, by close to 2 years. Right, and okay, the down move is actually very quick. Okay, then if you pay close attention, right, there was a capitulation somewhere here, okay, in September, right, and recently it actually formed some sort of a inverse head and shoulder, right, and the move up is actually very impulsive. So this is actually very promising, so as of Friday today, right, okay, the market actually closed at its resistance, right? So if we can see, okay, further upside, okay, and test the 21,000 level, right, or about 20800 level, right, we can actually try to wait for a retracement back to about 20,000 and go for a long, okay, to ride the wave up, right? So personally, okay, so this is something like that. So personally, I'm actually bull bias for Hang Seng Index, okay, because China is actually opening up, right, and relaxing their COVID zero policy, right, and probably things the economy will actually improve for China. So yep, so this marks my the commentary on the market for this week. Okay, hopefully you guys find it beneficial, right, and yeah, enjoy listening to me talking. Okay, alright, thank you. Okay, and have a great day, great trading, or great weekend ahead right after today. Bye bye.